In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create an Apple Music account. Let's get started. First, launch your Apple Music app or head over to the official website of Apple Music. Then click on the option Sign In. You can easily create your Apple Music account using your Apple ID. Go ahead and type in the email address and click on Continue. Now go ahead and type in the password of your Apple ID. You will be logged into Apple Music. In case you don't have Apple account, you'll need to click on the option of Create New Apple Account. Then click on Continue. Now fill in these details to create your Apple account. Type in the email address, password, first name, last name, birth date. Then agree with the terms and conditions. Select your country or region and click on Continue. Verify the email address and phone number. Now you can use this Apple ID to sign in with Apple Music. All you have to do is navigate to the website of Apple Music, provide the email address and password, and just for that you'll be logged in. So that's all for this video. This way you can easily create an Apple Music account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.